Okie dokie. So let's talk about the weather forecast. This is a view of Anna Maria Island. Our Cool Today live cam powered by EarthCam looks pretty good over there. But the question always is, for how much longer? Is something going on here?
It's always the question.
Yeah.
Especially as we're entering
especially
summer.
Now,
yeah,
right?
Especially now. We start entering the summer season. We get those afternoon showers and thunderstorms. But we've been pretty quiet as we've headed further into our evening hour. One thing that's not calmed down, though, is them temperatures. Whew. They're steamy out there. We've seen temperatures in the 90s today. Most folks now back into the 80s, but it is still quite warm out there. You can see into Mayaca City, 87 degrees along with Arcadia. Now further inland, though, you notice lower 80s over in Avon Park. They had some showers earlier. That helped them cool them off. But otherwise, along the coastal way, we're still seeing warm temperatures anywhere from the mid 80s to upper 80s. That makes our feel-like temperature much warmer out there. As we were around 5:30 this afternoon, we were feeling like we were in the mid-90s out there, and it still feels like it's in the low 90s out there. Partially due as well to that dew point outside. We've got a lot of moisture on the ground. If you come outside, you're going to feel the heaviness of the air. Dew points right into the 70s, mid-70s along the Keys as well. So it's a lot of moisture at the surface. You feel it. It's heavy air as you walk out. That's something that's not going to calm down as we end out this weekend and head into the new week. Now, one thing that's helping, though, with the heat and humidity out there, at least we got some winds coming off the coast. That makes us feel a little bit better if you're going out and about, especially along the beach. You can see wind speeds anywhere from the teens and just right around 10 miles per hour for most folks. So we'll continue to see a little bit of a breezy condition as we go into the night hours. Those rain showers really quieting down for our coast. They've now moved off further to the east, putting a little bit stronger storms as you're moving up towards Melbourne and moving off the coast. But as those showers were progressing throughout the day, they really started to weaken and we started to quieten down. We should stay pretty quiet for the rest of your night hours. And as we go into your day tomorrow, not expecting too much activity for tomorrow. In fact, here's the morning hour, 6:15, noticing pretty quiet. You get a few stray showers here and there, but otherwise not expecting widespread activity. Now Monday morning, that's a different story. We wake up early Monday morning. I think the best chance is going to be along the coastal way into the morning hours by the afternoon. If you're inland, that's where you're going to see a better chance of seeing more scattered development, especially Monday afternoon. We could see some nice heavy downpours, some lightning with it. So going into our day tomorrow, going about 20% along the coast. Really don't think there's a substantial chance for rain. And even as we move just a little further inland, it's more so way out there, further into our Midlands, where we start seeing that 30 to 40% chance of showers. Sunday, not expecting to be a washout, so you don't need to cancel your plans. But Monday, we'll bump up these rain chances. As far as heading out on the waters, we're going with a moderate chop tomorrow. That's due to those winds coming out of the west, right around 15 knots. So going to create a little bit more of a moderate chop if you are heading out and about to enjoy some of that sunshine. If you are, again, make sure you're wearing sunscreen. UV right up at 11, so let's put it on the extreme side. Something to watch out for as we're going into this week that might just cause some beautiful sunrises and sunsets. This is some Saharan dust we've been watching for a couple days now. This is going to be making its way in right into our backyards right around Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Because of that, your sunrises, your sunsets, these dust particles in the mid and upper levels, that's going to cause more vibrant reds, vibrant oranges. So we've got some beautiful Suncoast sunrises and sunsets on the way as we head towards the midweek. Something else this helps with is hurricanes, tropical developments. They don't like dust particles in the mid upper levels because they're dry. That's going to be helpful as we are watching that potential development that's going to be towards the end of next week into next weekend towards the western Gulf. And you can see where that moisture is much more available, and you see it starting to circle around and trying to create a little low pressure center and try to form some type of tropical development right into next Saturday. That's some good news about as far as for us with the dust in place. It may help try to push that out a little bit more, keeping us on the drier side. But we'll continue to keep an eye out on this system. Right now, National Hurricane Center putting this area in orange and this X right there. That's Disturbance 1 we're watching right now. About a 40% chance we're going to see this develop within the next 5 days or so. Expecting right now either coming towards the Texas coast or maybe trying to shift just a little bit towards, say, Lake Charles, closer to New Orleans, but right now not looking like it's going to come close to the Sun Coast. Of course, we're about a week out, so we still have to keep an eye out on this thing. But otherwise, we're still keeping our eyes down to the tropics as we are heading into the next couple of days, though. Just dealing with heat and humidity. Hang on, because it's going to be quite warm the next couple of days. We're staying in the upper 80s. Now, rain chances, we are going to bump them up as we head into next week. Scattered rain chances, 40 to 50%. Tuesday, looking about a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Those scattered afternoon activity going to continue as we head even into our midweek. So put the umbrella back in the car. We're going to need it for these afternoon summer storms. Kevin?
I never took it out. It's just there.
Best to just keep it in the back, honestly, this time of year.
And dust is good. I'm gonna sweep out the garage and try it out.